Namaste. In the last video, I talked about the 30th transformational leadership lesson from the third driver, communication and presentation skills. In today's video, we will continue with the 31st transformational leadership lesson from the third driver, communication and presentation skills. Sidanti mama gatrani, Sidanti mama gatrani, मुकंच परिशुष्यति वेपतुश्च शरीरे मे रोमहर्षश्च जायते. My limbs are losing their strength, my mouth is drying up, my body is trembling, and the hair on my body is standing. गांडीवं श्रंसते हस्तात् त्वच्चैव परिदह्यते न च शक्नोम्यवस्थातुं भ्रमतीव च मे मनः. My bow, the Gandiva, is slipping from my hand and my skin is burning all over. I'm not able to stand up and my mind is totally confused as it were. Nimittani cha pashyami viparitani keshava na cha shreyo nupashyami hatva swajanamahave. Keshava, I see bad omens. I do not see any good in killing one's own people in the battlefield. Nakangshe vijayan Krishna na cha rajyam sukhani cha kinno rajyena govinda kin bhoger jivitena va. Krishna, I want neither victory nor the kingdom nor comforts. Govinda, what is the use of kingdom or of pleasures or life itself to us? Yesha marte कांक्षितन्न है राज्यं भोगा सुखानि च त इमेव स्थिता युद्धे प्राणां त्यक्त्वा धनानि च. Those for whose sake alone the kingdom, objects of enjoyment and pleasure were desired by us, have assembled in this battle, having given up their wealth and their lives. Acharya pitara putraha stataiva cha pitamaha matula swashura pautraha shala sambandhinastatha. These are our teachers, paternal uncles, sons, grandfathers, maternal uncles, in-laws, grandsons, cousins, friends and other relatives. Etan nahantumichhami gnatopi madhusudana api trailokya rajyasya heto kim nu mahi krite. Madhusudana, even for the sake of ruling over the three worlds, much less for this kingdom on earth, I do not desire to kill these people, even if they are going to kill me. निहत्य धार्तराष्ट्रान्न है, निहत्य धार्तराष्ट्रान्न है, का प्रीति स्यात् जनार्दन, का प्रीति स्यात् जनार्दन, पापमेवाश्रये तस्मान्, पापमेवाश्रये तस्मान्, हत्वैतानातथायिनः, हत्वैतानातथायिनः. Janardana, what kind of satisfaction would be there for us by destroying the sons of Dhritarashtra? Sin alone would come to us by destroying these wrongdoers. Tasman narhavayam hantum, tasman narhavayam hantum, dhartarashtran swabandhavan, dhartarashtran swabandhavan, swajanam hi khatam hatva, स्वजनम हि कतं हत्वा सुखिनः स्याम माधव, सुखिनः स्याम माधव. Therefore, we should not kill our relatives, the sons of Dhritarashtra, destroying our people Madhava. How can we be happy? यद्यप्येतेन पश्यन्ति, यद्यप्येतेन पश्यन्ति, लोभोपहत चेतसः, लोभोपहत चेतसः, कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं, कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं, मित्रद्रोहे च पातकं, मित्रद्रोहे च पातकं. Although these people whose minds are overpowered by greed do not see the defect in the destruction of one's family and the sins of betraying one's own friends, katannaneyamasmabihi पापादस्मान्निवर्तितुं कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं, कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं, प्रपश्यद्भिर्जनार्दन, प्रपश्यद्भिर्जनार्दन. Janardana, how come it is not considered by us who know that sin is born of the destruction of the family? Kulakshaye pranashyanti, कुलक्षये प्रणश्यन्ति, कुलधर्मा सनातनाः, कुलधर्मा सनातनाः, धर्मे नष्टे कुलं कृत्स्नम्, धर्मे नष्टे कुलं कृत्स्नम्, अधर्मोऽभिभवत्युत, अधर्मोऽभिभवत्युत. When the family is destroyed, the ancient dharmas of the families perish. When the dharma is lost, will not adharma overwhelm the entire family? Adharma bhibavat Krishna pradushyanti kulastriyah strishu dushtasu varsneya, strishu dushtasu varsneya, jayate varna sankarah, jayate varna sankarah. Krishna, due to the increase of adharma, the women in the family will be given to improper ways. Varsnya, when the women become corrupt, confusion is born in the society. Sankaro narakayaiva, Sankaro narakayaiva, kulagnanam kulasya cha, kulagnanam kulasya cha, patanti pitaro hesham, पतन्ति पितरो हेषां लुप्तपिण्डोदकक्रियाः, लुप्तपिण्डोदकक्रियाः. Confusion indeed leads the family and the destroyer of the family to the world of pain. Their ancestors, denied of their post-death rituals, indeed fall. दोषैरेतैकुलग्नानां, दोषैरेतैकुलग्नानां, वर्णसंकरकारकैः, वर्णसंकरकारकैः, उत्साद्यन्ते जातिधर्माः, उत्साद्यन्ते जातिधर्माः, कुलधर्माश्च शाश्वताः, कुलधर्माश्च शाश्वताः. By these wrong actions of those who destroy the family, creating confusion in the society, the perennial dharmas pursued by the community and the family are destroyed. Aho batamahat papam, aho batamahat papam, kartun vyavasitavayam, kartun vyavasitavayam, yadrajasukalobhena, yadrajasukalobhena, hantun swajana mudyataha, hantun swajana mudyataha. Alas, ready to kill our own people due to the greed for a kingdom and its pleasure, we are determined to commit a grave sin. Yadi mama pratikaram, yadi mama pratikaram, ashastram shastrapanayah, ashastram shastrapanayah, dhartarashtrarane hanyuhu, dhartarashtrarane hanyuhu, tanme kshemataram bhavet, tanme kshemataram bhavet. It will be better for me if the sons of Dhritarashtra, with weapons in hand, were to kill me, who is unarmed and who does not retaliate in the battle. In these 17 slokas, Arjuna is giving all the excuses for not fighting the war, and Krishna is just listening. Look at the importance that Krishna has given to listening. As a transformational leader, be a patient listener. By the way, if you have listened to all these 17 slokas patiently, you are on the path to becoming a great listener, and I would recommend that you continue the path of being a great listener. The transformational leadership lesson that we learn from this sloka is be a patient listener. Namaste. Please like and share this video even if it does not interest you, because you could just be an instrument in helping someone somewhere around the world to become a transformational leader. This is the least bit that you can do to make a difference to someone's life without any investment. Do subscribe and press the bell button so that you can get updates on the latest video on transformational leadership. Finally, a humble request. Please take a few minutes out of your busy schedule and post your comments. Namaste.